Hello children, today we're going to learn the first few words for beginners from the sight words. Okay, so we're going to start. I'm going to read the word and I'm going to also break up the pronunciation for you so that you can learn how to say the word. Okay, so we'll do it like this. I'll say A and then I'll read the pronunciation on the right. A, that's how you understand the word. Alright, the next word is and. D, and. Okay, the next word away. Away. Big, big. Blue. Can. Come. Down. Find. 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 Funny. Go. Help. Ear. It's her ear. Okay, it's her ear. Here. I. In. Is. It. Jump. Little. Look. Make. Me. I. My. Not. One. Play. Red. Run. Said. See. The, or you can say the D. Alright, so this is how you pronounce these words. There are 32 of these words. You have to remember how these words are said. Okay, once you learn this, then we will start learning. Finally, we will learn all the 220 words which are under the list of the sight words. Okay, and once you learn all of these words, you are ready to start reading. Thank you children. Hope that you will learn these words and you will remember them. Alright, bye.